Hey there, I'm Darshan Karwat, and I'm the instructor for a class that's called Next Generation Sustainability Governance Design. If you've ever wondered why we aren't making more progress on important energy, environment, climate, and sustainability challenges in the United States, if you've ever wondered why we're dealing with these problems that are complicated 21st century kind of problems with thinking that originated in the 1960s, then perhaps we should be reimagining how we can address these problems. And this class is an opportunity for you to do exactly that. It's based on the question, if we could redesign the Environmental Protection Agency today, what would we do? And only if we're able to imagine different forms of governance, different forms of organization, might we be able to address these challenges when the opportunities arise. So this class is a workshop and design class that's in fact inspired by how space system design works, where the entire class is going to work as one team thinking through this question on reimagining and redesigning the US Environmental Protection Agency. Now, you're not going to be alone in this process. In fact, the founders of the EPA and those who have essentially laid the foundations of American environmental law will be part of the class mentoring you as you think through these questions. We're going to have Chuck Elkins, who was the special assistant to the first EPA administrator, who helped set up how the EPA is currently structured. He designed the organizational structure of the EPA. Len Miller came up with the permitting program for pollution across the United States. Marsha Williams is a former Deputy Assistant Administrator for Pesticides and Toxic Substances. And tentatively, Tom Jorling, who is the co-author of the Clean Air Act and Clean Water Act, is going to be joining us. So we have a treasure trove of knowledge and experience that is going to help us think through these questions and help you think big thoughts around the future of environmental governance and sustainability governance in the United States. Everybody is welcome. All kinds of students and all kinds of expertise is not only welcome, it's necessary to ensure that this class is a success and we can think as big as we can. Last time around, we had students from sustainability, human and social dimensions of technology, engineering and business join the class, but it's open to lawyers and political scientists and those who are studying science and technology policy as well. So any passion that you have for these kinds of questions, for the future of environmental governance, will find a home with like-minded folks in this class. And I hope to see you next semester.